Hi, welcome back to my life. I'm scared. As you guys have probably read the title, today we're doing something that I might regret for the next couple of months. This video was inspired by Sarang Toy's video about how she cuts her hair. Basically, she kind of bends over in a 90-degree angle and then cuts like straight across. Genius is all I can say. I feel like that's what they do at the hairdresser anyways. They just like pull your hair up in a 90-degree angle and then cut it. I guess when you're bending over, like the back is longer. I will let you guys go check out Sarang Toy's video. It's very insightful, very scientific. That's what I'm going to be trying to do today. I am terrified for the life of me. Fun fact, I actually cut my hair almost all the time. Like, I do not go to hairdressers, and it's not because, well, it is. I get scared at the hairdresser. They always ask you like, oh, is this okay? And then I'm like too embarrassed to say no. I kind of want something else, and then I just end up with a haircut that I don't like. Bada bing, bada bong, bada bing, bada boom, bada. Let's just get started with the video. So I don't have like anywhere I can just stand in a 90-degree angle and like show you guys. So I've kind of just put a piece of fabric down here. I feel like this is so unaesthetic. 1 second. Is that better? So what Sarang starts off doing, this mirror is so tiny. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just like split my hair in half. It's not the most even, but I think that's good enough. And then I'm gonna figure out where I wanna cut it. I wanna cut it like relatively short. So maybe there. I'm scared. I hate that I like my hair today because it makes it so much harder to cut my hair. I need to stop delaying this. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Why am I so scared? Okay, honestly, let's just take off like 3 inches. 1, 2, 3. I can't believe I did that. Oh, that's so short. Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna take the other side now and do the same thing. I can't believe I just did that. Okay, I'm kind of excited about this though. Yeah, I think that's 3 inches. Okay. Now we're just gonna move on. I think it's like even enough, kind of. Okay, so now to the fun part. This is where we kind of like fold over and just cut our hair. Man, it is so hard to be in a 90-degree angle when you're so acute. I'm trying my best, but I'm just gonna like brush my hair over. This line is so short. Damn, can't tell if I'm at a 90-degree angle, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I'm so scared. Ow! My chronic back pain is kicking in. My head at a 90-degree angle. Oh my god, that's a lot of hair. I feel like my head's just not at a 90-degree angle, is it? Oh my god, this is so much hair. I'm scared. Oh, okay. Wait, okay. It's short, but I think it's like layered well. Okay, maybe not. Oh my god, this is so short. Look at this hair. Okay, so now that we've cut that, I'm gonna do the other side first, and then we're gonna kind of cut it a little more so it's not as blunt. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Okay. Oh my god, my back. Back pains. So same thing on this side. Ooh, this is not even. I think I cut this side a little bit short, but not bad. I forgot how much hair I have. So now I'm gonna go in and kind of like fix the chunkiness of my head. I have all this hair that I'm just gonna sweep to the back. So this is how my hair looks before I do any sort of like fitting. You can see that the front is not the same length. So maybe I'll just like bend over my head and like kind of fix that up a little bit. It's so intense, I'm scared. Honestly, I kind of dig the like chunky look, but let's do some thinning. I have these like thinning shears for my grandma, so rusty, but they're gonna do the job. Since my hair is on the shorter end now, we're just gonna kind of like, I honestly don't know how to use these scissors correctly, but I always just do this. I think that's not the right way to do it. If anyone knows how to use these scissors, please teach me, because I clearly do not. I'm gonna do this for another few rounds and then see what happens. Okay. And now this side. I am gonna miss my long hair. Well, this is still kind of long actually, but I know it's gonna grow back super quickly, so I'm not too concerned. Plus, it's just nicer to have less hair on your head for the summer, so kind of excited about that. The only other thing I need is just a summer body. This is so messy. So I did some thinning, but it's still kind of bulky or like chunky. What I'm gonna do is just go in and point cut, and I'm just gonna pull it up because I don't want to bend over anymore. So I'm bringing my hair up and then just going in and like cutting it. I haven't looked at the footage yet, but I think I didn't bend like the right degree. I don't know if I was at a 90 degree, it might have been like 120. I feel like this method works, so if anyone wants to try it, not advising you on how to do your hair, but it works, I think. Yeah, so many hairs everywhere. Oh. There's like hair behind me, and then hair in front of me, and then hair everywhere else. So I'm just gonna point cut this other side too. I feel like I will need to thin out my hair a little bit more just because there's so much hair. I swear to God, I lose like 200 hairs a day and I feel like I'm going bald, but it looks like I still have some hair on my head, so that's good news. I think my job has just put me in a perpetual state of stress all the time, and so that's why I'm constantly losing hair. Or maybe it's just the genetic balding that runs in my family. I can kind of see like the shape of my hair now. I'm doing too much today, but I think I'm gonna cut my bangs a little bit. I feel like curtain bangs would actually look really good with this. Not sure if I'm going for that today. Y'all, bangs have been growing on me. Wow. Look at how much my roots have grown out. That's like insane. I can't exactly see, but I think this is like a good bang-age set of bangs. I did it. Now we are just gonna point cut a little bit. Okay, these will look better once styled, I promise. The other thing is I kind of want to cut like some like front pieces. I'm a big proponent of trust the process. I'm trusting it way too much right now. All right, okay, I did something, and do I like it? I can't tell. Like, no turning back now, so I can just like continue and do this, or just cry. Probably gonna cry later. This is my hair. It looks really choppy, but hopefully showering will help it, and then I'm gonna try to style it a little bit more so it looks better. So I'll be back. Kind of looks like a skunk, but there's all the hair, and it's actually not that much. And this is the head of hair left. We are gathered here today to celebrate the long and abundantly colorful life of Sarah's hair. I don't know how to cry. Let's see. I've like filmed this 10 times already. This is my hair and how everything turned out. Then this is it with the bangs, but I'm not the biggest fan. I will say I think the 90-degree method works because look at the layers on that. I clearly did not do the best job. It did end up being very short. I thought I was gonna give myself a trim, and now we ended up here. But it's definitely not the worst haircut I've had before, so let me know what you guys think. Be honest, if you hate it, let me know. It is gonna grow out super quickly, so I'm not too pressed about it. I think hair grows at the rate of like ½ an inch a month or something like that. When I just got out of the shower though, I was really shook. I think my hair shrank a little bit because when I cut it, it was like completely pin straight, and now that it's like styled and like this, it's short. It's like really short. Although it is kind of growing on me. I look like a 40-year-old divorcee, but like a hot one, so I'm okay with that. I also think this hair kind of looks like Pashtime's hair, and I love her, so yay. It's so like floofy and airy, and I feel like I just always want to like zhuzh my hair a little like that. Let me know how old you guys think I look now. I'm not used to this. But yeah, thank you for sitting through this video and watching me ruin my hair as always. That is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys like my face and my hair, or if you don't like my hair, please like and subscribe. And if you don't like my face, please also like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.